Just showing the level of corrosion on the KC hilites. 237 lamps I had fitted to the fitted to my pajero, and yeah, like I said, these are chrome, triple chrome plated. Now I managed to purchase some second-hand stainless steel ones. So while they're a bit dull, they're all stainless. Every part of the lamp is stainless, so I'm delighted with that. Now, just to show you how to tell the difference, which is the most obvious thing to do. So your stainless steel is on the left, the chrome triple plate is on the right, and I have this old lamp which has a magnet on it. Now, see that? See how magnetic the triple chrome plate is? And then for the stainless steel, barely anything. So just a tip for you, because KC doesn't mark them as stainless or not. So there you go, that's how to check. Good strong magnet. Now make sure you don't have the insert of the light inside, just in case that's magnetic, and you'll be able to tell pretty easily.